Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Ilsa. Today we have an exciting programming challenge to discuss. We have a given problem from Leetcode single number. In this question, we have given a non-empty array of integer nums. Every element appears twice except of one. Find the single one. You must implement a solution with linear runtime complexity and only constant extra space. So, if we go through the example number one, we have an input named nums and we have a number in the array 2, 2, and 1. And the output is 1 because we have to find the element which appear only once. Okay. So, in the second example, we will see that the number 4, 1, 2, 1, and 2. And the output is 4 because 4 is a unique value from the array, and here we have only 1, that's why we will return the output 1. So let's jump on the code and find the unique one. Firstly, we will take the array list which is empty and we will use for loop and if condition to find the unique element from the array. So firstly, I write here an empty array. Then I will use the for loop for iteration on nums. So I will write here for I in nums, not in range, because we are not dealing with the indices. Here we are dealing with the numbers. That's why we use for I in nums. It will pick the element from nums. We use the empty list array to keep the track of elements that we have encountered in the nums array. For each element I in nums, we will check if I already present in array or not. Okay, if I not in the array, it means this is the first occurrence of I in the nums array. So if it is a first occurrence, so we will add I to the array list using function. And which function we will use? We will use append function. If I not an arr, it means if I not an array, if I not in present in array. So what we will do here, we will append the I into the array. We will write the syntax array dot append I. Okay, in that case, if I is already in the array, it means we have encountered I before and it appeared twice in the nums array. Okay, in that case, what we will do here, we will remove I from array using function. Using which function? Here we don't need to write if I in array. We will use else condition here. Okay, else means that if I appears in array, so we will remove I from the array by using remove function. This operation effectively cancels out the pair, and at the end of the loop, array list will contain only unique element from the array nums. We will return the first indexed element of the array. Okay, which is our desired output. So we will write here return array of indices 0. Firstly, we will run the code and check whether it's correct or not. Okay, it's accepted all the test cases. So let's try to implement the code over here. We have an empty array and we will use a for loop on the nums for I in nums. So it will pick the element 2 if I not in array. Firstly, I will not in the array because 2 stored in the I array is initially 0. So what it will do, it will append I which is 2, it will append 2 in the array. Alright, I just mention over here that array contains 2 elements for now. If the first condition is satisfied, it will not check the else statement. For the second time, it will pick the element 2 from indices 1. It will check if I not in array, but here I is present in the array because we have 2 already present in the array. If condition will not satisfied here, it will jump on the else statement. It will remove 2 from the array here, okay? For the third time, it will pick 1. 1 is stored in I. It will check, and if condition satisfied here, it will append it here. So at the end of element, come out of the loop and just print the return statement. So what is the output? The output is 1. So it's time to discuss the time and space complexity. We perform the append and remove function, and both of these operations take of 1 time on average. Okay, therefore overall the complexity solution is of 1. Therefore overall the time complexity of solution is O of n, and the n is a number of element in nums array. For the space complexity, we will check we use additional list named array to store the unique element of n. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.